8. 8.
8.
8.
8.
8.
8.
8.
Happy birthday, ACT.
8 years, we're just getting started.
On December 9th, Ayiti Community Trust celebrates 8 years as a transnational community foundation. In honor of this momentous occasion, we invite you to join our Konbit Wall of Giving by contributing a value of 8, whether it's $888, $88, or $8. Your gift matters. Every contribution, no matter the size, supports our initiatives towards our shared goal of shifting narratives and building a long-standing legacy for Ayiti. Merci un peu. Thank you for your support.